Shadows curl around my table, glass glimmers in a lonely hand. The night holds its breath as the city hums beneath velvet sand. Satin heels tapping softly down the corridor of dreams. I slip between the curtains, melting under velvet beams. The clock's hand sips the seconds, my laughter drips on gin. Your memory curls around me, sweet as bitters on my skin. Every note the band plays stirs a spark you left behind. I catch your shadow passing, reflected in my wine. Midnight in velvet blue, where the lonely come alive. Every smoky wish for two keeps the memories in drive. The night is slow and honeyed while the moon just hangs in sighs. We're dancing with the shadows, lost in midnight velvet skies. A saxophone confession in a tongue I know too well. Each phrase a midnight promise, each breath a siren spell. The bass walks out our secrets, the piano paints them gold. Inside these foggy echoes, all our stories are retold. A whisper in the silence, the world outside on pause. I lean into your memory, forget about the cause. Midnight in velvet blue, where the lonely come alive. Every smoky wish for two keeps the memories in drive. The night is slow and honeyed while the moon just hangs and sighs. We're dancing with the shadows, lost in midnight velvet skies. Let the glasses clink, let the laughter flow. Let me dream in sepia until you walk through the door. Sussy promises, restless lips, a shiver in the air. The club doors open softly and I almost see you there. Midnight in velvet blue, where the lonely come alive. Every smoky wish for two keeps the memories in drive. The night is slow and honeyed while the moon just hangs and sighs. We're dancing with the shadows, lost in midnight velvet skies. Among the hush and hollowed light, the music finds me true. One last note to linger on in this midnight